Sabi nga nila, ang innovation daw po ay walang edad. Kung bubuksan nyo lang po ang ating mga isipan at kakayanan.
Build accessible e-market ecosystem. Ginagawa ni Inday. Napakasipag po. Share on messaging everyone to support the products of Home Decor. Support impact-driven women innovators. Supportahan po natin sila. If you met someone, like Tita Zone, siya po yung newsletter ng Home Philippines. Because she's more than 7 years old. If someone is asking you your help, basta na yung mga young at hearts natin, help them. At ang sarap sa pakiramdam. You don't just sell it in social media because there are a lot of, marami po tayo kalaman. Pag magbibenta tayo into sell t-shirts in social media, there are a lot of people selling t-shirts in social media. Yeah, there are a lot of competition in social media, Facebook, in TikTok, in Shopee. But if you sell your story, for example, buy these Philippine products and help this community. Kapag ginamit ng tama, technology helps women entrepreneurs build visibility, connect with customers, and manage business smarter. Yes, I use ChatGPT, I use Canva. Before I use Adobe Photoshop, yung marami tayong mga kabataan dyan, no? Do you use Adobe Photoshop? No, you're using Canva, right? And you can make a poster for only 10 seconds, right? So it's using Canva, right? You can make a newsletter for only a minute using Canva, as long as you have all the articles. And learn from my academy using e-commerce, and I attended a lot of trainings, of course, from Home in Philippines. I was sent to Thailand, this is my first training on e-commerce and website development. Like what we did, you know my secret, the reason why an ERMN solution, my company is up until now, it's 2006, it's because of the collaboration. Connecting to the SE roadmap vision. Our advocacy aligns perfectly with the social enterprise roadmap in today's conference theme. Innovate. Gamitin ang digital tools for impact and inclusion. Scale. Link women-led SEs to financing and capacity building. Connect. Build partnerships and ecosystem. Showcase. Ipakita ang mga produkto at kwento ng kababaihan. We don't just share our products on social media, but we need to have a story behind your products or services for others to support you. Importante po yun. Nurture. Inspire the next generation of change makers. Ang sabi nga nila, tatatagin tayo lahat. We're getting old. We're not getting any younger anymore. So we need to train. Ang vision po natin ay isa. To create inclusive, sustainable, and digital empowered communities. At LTR Solution, we don't just mount events. We build ecosystems. We manage ICT and green sustainability events that gather MSMEs, innovators, and policymakers. We connect women entrepreneurs to digital partners, cooperatives, and investors. Through every forum, we make sure that voices of women are heard and that they have access to opportunities in the digital economy. Ang bawat event ay hindi lamang programa para sa amin. Ito ay tulay ng pag-asa. Let's empower women. Because when you empower women, you also empower your families. Sure. Empower women, empower nation. That's correct. And once again, ito na po to connect. Ganda ko dyan, AI. Let's collaborate to empower more women and communities. So kindly scan my QR code, connect with me, and let's make change happen together. Once again, mabuhay para